Hi guys, today from my kitchen I'm going to show you a delicious dessert in cup which is so easy. I'm going to make creamy chocolate pudding using Galaxy chocolate. So Galaxy pudding, it will be so yummy and delicious. For first, let's get started, show you the ingredients. And by the way, I'm going to list down all the ingredients for this recipe with the measurements. So we need milk, we need sugar, we need double cream, we need cocoa powder, and we need corn flour, we need vanilla, and also we need Galaxy chocolate. So let's get started. Here we have the milk. I'm going to add the sugar. Woo. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of corn flour. I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Okay, I'm going to leave the Galaxy at the end, so I'm going to add the double cream, and here we added the sugar, corn flour, the double cream, the vanilla, and the milk, and also the cocoa powder. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to mix all these ingredients. Woo! I'm going to mix them very good. Just make sure the corn flour dissolved in the milk. Okay, so here we go. That's fine. That's fine until now. I'm going to add here some of the Galaxy. All right. We needed like 100 grams of chocolate Galaxy. You can add less if you like. Okay, that's fine. Like quarter cup. Sorry, like 3/4 of the cup of Galaxy chocolate. Alright, so let's move to the other side. Okay guys, so on high heat I'm going to carry on mixing the mixture until bring to boil, until the mixture brings to boil. And after that I'm going to add the Galaxy. So I'm going to show you this step by step. Okay guys, as you can see, the mixture now is very hot. So I'm going to do, before they getting thicker, I'm going to add on them, whoops, the chocolate. Okay, and I'm going to keep mixing them until the chocolate melts, and they need probably like 2 minutes, not more than that. So keep mixing them until the chocolate melt and they will be ready. Okay, this is the mixture, looks like so. Alright, so this is the consistency that I want. So this is 1 minute, 1 more minute, and that's it. I'm going to turn off the cooker and pour them in a cups, in a glasses. It's up to you. In a big casserole, it's up to you. But I'm going to serve them in a small bowls. Okay, turn off the cooker, and that's it. That's what I want. Yummy, yummy. Okay. Okay guys, here we go. So quick, I just decorated the top because my children can't wait. So I just sprinkled some crushed pistachios on top, and here we added strawberries, galaxy chocolate. Also you can just add whipped cream and strawberry, and you can just leave it plain if you like. You can just eat, add coconut, shredded coconut. So it's up to you, but the taste, it's so delicious and so smooth, so creamy. Look at this. Oh, yummy. Wow, I hope you can taste it. It's so creamy and delicious, especially when we added the double cream. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching, and by the way, I'm going to list down all the ingredients that we need for this recipe. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye.